back to Side Live Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 2nd to the 6th of June 2025 on Monday. Mbatha put on his showman outfit and takes at the heart of the people. Sbu is called to an adventure. Pefeni breaks a boy free on Tuesday. Pefeni is at his wit's end with lazy Skitty and motivates him to take back his power. Skitty takes his friend's advice and makes a bold move to reassert himself. Sbu finally receives the mentorship he has been yearning for on Wednesday. Nkosi struggled to comprehend how anyone could dare to break into the royal house. Sbu cannot find the courage to run the service. The Hlobos shows Mbatha love and support after his horrid attack on Thursday. Nkunzi wants his 3 enemies found while Hau returns from his vacation. Sbu makes progress when he delivers a moving sermon. Nyao bites off more than he can chew with Mondli on Friday. Pefeni makes a daring declaration of being tired of being the breadwinner, while Mbatha hits a brick wall with a potential by-election campaign sponsor. Nyao wants out of the Kuse must fall plane. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Come back to